Are you looking for Baby Delight Go With Me Venture Chair? Then this video is for you. If you are curious to learn more about the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Let's watch the video without further ado. Important information. Point 1. Your mobile solution. As parents, we are aware of the diverse paths life might take. As a result, we created this toddler chair to be portable and foldable. Perfect for a weekend of camping, a trip to the beach, or any sporting event. To any indoor or outdoor adventure, bring the Venture Chair. Point 2. Extended use. The chair continues to meet your child's needs as they grow older. The Venture Chair has 3 different modes: sitting, standing, and large kid. Seats for infants up to 8-year-olds of typical size. Point 3. Design versatile, includes a sun umbrella and a removable snack tray. Additionally, it is composed of fabric that is durable against fading, stains, and mold, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Point 4. Safe and secure. The chair stays in position wherever it goes thanks to our sturdy and stable flared leg design. The 5-point detachable harness can be used to secure and calm your baby while they are sitting. Point 5. USA designed. Parents have trusted for more than 20 years. Operated and owned locally in Rhode Island, USA. Thanks. Please subscribe my channel to get more information for your sweet baby.